Which of the following is the least common multiple of 30 and 45? Normally when we find least common multiples of two small numbers that are relatively close to one another, we can set up a table like this. And we can go through a couple of factors and very quickly find a common factor, or a least common multiple. In this case, with big numbers that we're not used to doing easy multiplication with, we need to create a factor tree of them to find the least common multiple. So let's start with 30. And you can start with any two factors of 30 that come to mind. The first one for me is 5 and 6. 5 is already a prime number, so we're done with that half of the tree. Let's break 6 apart into 2 and 3, and those are both prime numbers, so now we're done with that part of the tree. Next is 45, which we can break up into 15 and 3. 3 is a prime factor, so we're done with that half of the tree. Let's keep breaking down 15 into 5 and 3. So now that the factor trees are done, we can count how many times each of these prime numbers occurred within their tree. In the 45 tree, 3 appears twice, so we will have 3 to the second power. 5 only appears once in either tree, so we will multiply that by 5 without an exponent, and 2 only appears once in either tree, so times 2 without any exponent. 3 times 3, 3 squared is 9, times 5 times 2 will give us our least common multiple. Let's start with 5 times 2 gives us 10, so 9 times 10 will equal 90, making C our correct answer.